Good morning, year 3. How are you? I hope that you are all fine. Okay, let's start our session quickly. As I told you before that we are gonna make the revise the homework, okay, the reading homework for the forces, and then we are going to continue, okay, the lesson of the materials. Okay. Number 1, to make an object start moving, a what must be applied to it? A force. Number 2, a force that makes things or something move can be balanced or unbalanced, because I found that most of you have did it wrong. Okay, it can be balanced or unbalanced. Okay. 3, more force is needed to move heavy objects than to move light objects. Number 4, forces can make objects start moving, change the shape of the object, change the direction, make things slower, stop moving. You can write anything, make it faster, make it slower, anything. You can choose anything. Number 4, forces can change the direction of a moving object. Number 6, when the forces of an object cancel out, this is the key word, like a rope being pulled equally, also this is a key word, from each side the forces are balanced. Number 7, forces that happen between objects that touch, they are called contact forces. Touch, this is the key word. 8, forces such as magnetism and gravity can act on an object without touching it because they are non-contact. You can't do anything in it. Number 9, magnets can attract or repel one another without touching. 10, magnets attract or repel through solid, liquid, or gas. 11, the pulling force between two objects is called gravity. 12, a measure of the pull of the gravity on an object is its weight. 13, the force that occurs when an object rubs against another object, it's called friction. Rubs is the key word. 14, the last one, there is very little friction between smooth, slippery surface and a lot of friction between rough surfaces. Okay? Okay, so we finished now your reading homework. Now we are coming to the materials. We are going to continue it. Okay, without that, what does it mean by a material? A material, it's the thing that the main thing it's made from. So what are the things made from? They are made from materials. Again, what are the things made from? They are made from materials. And we said that there are materials which they are natural, means that they are found in nature. Okay, and where can I find it, or from where can I bring it? Those materials can come from the plants, animals, and rocks. So the natural materials I can bring it, they can come from the plants, animals, and rocks. And there are man-made materials, which are the materials that man made it, man entered in making them, that we have to do something to make them. God didn't make them. So there are natural materials which they are found in nature. I will bring it from the rocks or the plains or the animals, and there are man-made materials that man entered in making them. Man have to do something to make them. Okay? What does it mean by a property? We said that property is how the material looks and feels, right? We said that there are 10 properties. We are going to take them by the sessions. We finished the shiny and dull, and today we're going to finish the rough and smooth and the hard and soft. Okay? What does it mean by shiny and dull? Shiny and dull, or shiny first, it's a material that reflects a lot of light. You will find it making a shine in it. You will find the light is reflected from it. But dull means what? A material that reflects less light. And we took a lot of examples about it. Okay? Okay. Now we are going to solve some pages, and this will be our trend that we are going to make it every session. Okay, I will revise with you what we have taken the last session, and then we're going to solve about it, and then we're going to take the new thing. Okay, okay, here is saying to you, write cotton or leather under each picture. Socks, they are made from cotton. Belt, it's made of leather. Shirt, it's made of cotton. Wallet, it's made of leather. Trousers, they are made from cotton. Shoes, they are made from leather. Handbag, it's made from leather. Pillowcase, it's made from cotton, of course. The saddle, it's made from leather. Okay? Okay. Write under each object whether it's shiny or dull. The metal spoon, it will be shiny or dull? Is it reflecting a lot of light or reflecting less light? It will be reflecting a lot of light, so it will be shiny. Brick wall, reflecting a lot or reflecting less light? Less, so it will be dull. Diamond ring, reflecting a lot, so it will be shiny. Keys, reflecting a lot, so it will be shiny also. Table, reflecting less light, so it will be dull. Woolly hat, reflecting less, it will be dull also. Gold medal, reflecting a lot of light, so it will be shiny. Coin, reflecting a lot, so it will be shiny also. Door, reflecting less light, so it will be dull. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to come to the second part, which is, or the second property, which is rough and smooth. So we took, what does mean by a material? It's the thing that everything is made from. Property, it's how the material looks and feels. And there are natural materials and man-made materials. And we said that the first property we took is the shiny and dull. The second property we are going to take it now is rough and smooth. Okay, what does mean by rough? Rough means that the material has uneven surface. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. If you put your hands on it, you will not find it going on one way. Okay, you will find your hands going up and down, going up and down, up and down. Okay, so this is called uneven surface, and this is called rough material. What about smooth material? Smooth material that it has even surface. What does mean by even surface? If you make your hands on it, you will find your hands, they are slipping in one side like this. It's not going up and down. Okay, so rough materials means a material that has uneven surface. It means that is going up and down. Your hands, they are not slipping, they are not going on one way. And smooth material, it means that's material that has it has even surface. It has even surface. It's going on one way. It's slipping if you put your hands on. Okay? Okay, now comes our examples. Rough or smooth? The apple. Is it going up and down when you put your hands on the apple? You will find it going up and down, or you will find it going and slipping on one way. It will be slipping, so it will be smooth. Yes. What about the sandpaper? Some of you, they didn't know it, or they didn't put their hands on it, but you saw it, of course, like this. If you put your hands on a sandpaper, and it's from its name, it's like the sand. Okay, of course it's something different. Okay, but if you put your hands on it, you will find that your hands, they are going up and down. Okay, it's not slipping on one way, so it will be rough. What about the doormat? Is it going on one way? No, it will be rough also. That's why you make your shoes in, to take all of the dust and to take the dirty things from your shoes. That's why it's rough. If it was smooth, so it will not take the dirty things from your shoes. Okay? Okay, what about the screw? It's clear. It will be rough, of course. If you put your hands on those things of the screw, it will be slipping? No, you will find it going up and down, up and down, up and down. What about the CD? Slipping, of course, so it will be smooth. Even surface, it has even surface. Sieve, if you put your hands on this part of the sieve, it will be Rough, of course, your hands will be not slipping, it will be having uneven surface, so it will be rough. What about the balloon? Smooth, of course, it has even surface. Starfish, it's clear from the picture. Rough, of course. What about the car tire? Rough, yes, if it was smooth, the car will be sliding on the street, right? Okay, what about the glass bottle? Yes, it will be smooth. If you put your hands on the glass, you will find it slipping and it has even surface. Iron kettle. If you put your hands on the iron kettle, you will find it smooth. Yes, what about the bark? The bark of the tree. Okay, it's clear. Of course, it will be rough. What about the mirror? Smooth. Pineapple. It's clear. If you put your hands in, even or uneven surface. Uneven, so it will be rough, of course. The paper. Smooth. That's why we write on it. If it was rough, can you write on it? No. Marble, you will find it even or uneven. Even, so it will be smooth, of course. Okay. So rough or smooth, it's the second property. Rough means that it's the material that has uneven surface. Your hands will be going and up and down. Your hands will not be slipping when you put your hands on the surface. And smooth means that it has even surface, that your hands will be slipping. It will not be having ups and downs. Okay, so this is the rough and smooth, the second property we took. Third property is the hard and soft. What does it mean by hard? Hard, it's material that it's difficult to scratch. Hard, it's the material which is difficult to scratch. If you want to scratch it, it will be hard for you. It will be difficult for you to scratch it. So this means this is a hard material. What about soft? Soft means it's easy to scratch. If you want to scratch this material and it's soft material, so this is a soft material. So hard, this is the material that is difficult to scratch. Soft means this is the material that is easy to scratch. Now comes our example. Hard or soft? Diamond. Is it difficult or easy to scratch? Yes, it will be what? Difficult. So it will be hard. If you want to make it easier for you, hard, it has D, so it will be difficult to scratch. Okay, soft, it has S, so it will be easy to scratch. Again, hard has D, it's difficult. Soft, it has S, so it's easy to scratch. Okay, diamond is difficult to scratch, so it will be hard. Okay, the ceramic vase, difficult or easy? Yes, it will be difficult, so it's hard. Yeah. Jelly, is it hard for you to eat it? Is it difficult for you to scratch it? It's very easy, so it will be soft, of course. What about the cushion? Of course, if you play with your cushion, this is something very bad. It will be easy, so it will be soft. Yes. What about the socks? If you bring the scissors and don't do this also, it will be easy or hard? Easy or difficult? Yes, it will be easy, so it's soft. What about the hammer? Can you scratch it easily? It's difficult, so it will be hard. What about the pottery? Difficult or easy? Yes, it will be difficult, so it will be hard. Yes. What about the sponge? Can you cut it easily, for example? Can you scratch? Can you make anything is it in it? Yes, so it is soft. What about the remote? Can you scratch it easily? Can you cut it? Can you make anything in it easily? No, difficult, so it will be hard. Plastic bag, you can cut it with your hands, so it will be easy, it will be soft, of course. What about the rock? Hard or soft? Hard, yes. Glass jar, hard or soft? Can you make anything with it in it easily? No, it will be difficult, so it will be hard. The pillow again. Yes, it will be soft. You can do anything easily in it. Chalk, hard or soft? Yes, soft, because you can You can what break it easily. Okay. Table, hard or soft? Hard, yes. The feather, hard or soft? Soft, of course, it's easily. Towel, of course, it will be soft also. Okay, so we took today rough and smooth, and we took soft and hard. Hard, difficult to be scratched, and soft means easily to be scratched. Okay, I hope that you understood well. We took three properties up till now: shiny, dull, rough, smooth, soft, and hard. Okay, thank you so much. I hope that you understood well. If you have any questions, just send it to me on your Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day.